Hello guys, so we are going to install Magento Pretty Checkout in my local Magento instance. I have my Docker set up and I've already installed Magento sample data. Let's go to the package list and copy composer require command. I'll also add the package list link in the description below. Let's run the compose require command, and once download is complete, make sure to run setup upgrade setup di compile, and make sure to flush the cache before testing the front end. Let's add a product to cart so we can test the checkout page. So if we go to checkout page, you can see the default checkout is gone. Our new pretty checkout is now working. I've also created another video to explain the code base of the module so you can customize it further. That's it for this video. Give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.